Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the leveling leg on your dishwasher. The reason why you'd have to do this is because it's broken, damaged, or missing, and your dishwasher is tilting forward and spilling water out on the floor. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dishwasher we're going to be using for our demonstration. It's a Maytag. Keep in mind, ours might be a little bit different than what you have at home, but the same technique should still apply. So as you see here, our dishwasher is a bit wobbly. We might be missing a leg, so we're going to take a look on the bottom and check it out. So what we have to do is we're going to have to tilt our dishwasher back. So you'll see on our dishwasher here, we have legs on each corner, except for this corner here where we're missing one. So grab your new OEM replacement leveling leg, and if you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. And all you have to do is put it in the hole there and just screw it in. And we're going to try and get it about even to where the other legs are. I think right about there should be good. And then we'll stand our dishwasher back up. We're trying to wiggle it a little bit, and we're making sure it's stable. And if it's not, you can always adjust the legs on the bottom here just by twisting it either clockwise or counterclockwise in order to level it off. But we're all set right here, so your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.